Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to the Christmas on a Dime YouTube Hub. My name is Ilona and my channel is all about helping you do your crafting and mixed media on a low budget. In this video I will show you some easy low budget Christmas home decor projects, and I did not spend a dime because I went shopping in my own room. I will be showing you my projects first, followed by that will be the tutorial videos of the projects that I will show you, so you can make it yourself. Now, what's a YouTube Hub? We have a list of people that each have a few Christmas on a Dime projects to share with you, and you hop on over to everyone. And some of the channels also have prizes to give away. You subscribe to each channel, after that watch their Christmas on a Dime video, give them a thumbs up and leave them a comment. And you do that with all the people on the list. The list and the rules are in the description box below. Make sure you have your privacy settings on public, so we can check if you are subbed to every channel. When we draw a winner, we will check if they follow the rules. So if we cannot see if you are subscribed, we draw a new winner. So make sure you have your privacy settings on public so we can check. And it's not cool to unsubscribe after the giveaway is over. So please stay subscribed, because we also want to help out the smaller channels. First project is a stirring stick star. So the base of the star is made with 6 stirring sticks. So my theme this year is rustic and denim. So I kept my projects neutral. I have the tutorial in the back of the video so you can watch it. Then I had a star die set, a piece of leg from a denim jeans that was ripped up, and I cut out all kinds of stars. I love to recycle and I love to do everything low budget. So I went looking in my stash and I found these rolled ribbons and these swirly things and I used them to decorate, and I just added a twine hanger. So that's my first project. And my second project is again a stirring stick project. Also for this one I have a video tutorial on how to do it. Pretty easy. I had this thick wooden star and it already had the hanger on it, so didn't do anything to that. I added the piece of paper and again the denim. And here I have 3 little pine cones that I have in my stash for years. I used them on a lot of projects and I still have a lot left. And this is a leaf, and I also used this, I think the very first time I did the Christmas on a Dime, or maybe the second time. I used it on my waterless snow globe also. So pretty easy, fast project, fun to do with the kids. Then 2 little candy canes made out of a wrapping of a scarf. If you are curious about that, I have a tutorial video on this at the end of the video. So I'm not gonna tell anything about this. And then for my last project, I literally finished it 5 minutes ago. So I need to hurry up because I have just under 3 hours till this video needs to go up and then upload it. So I will make a video tutorial. I will upload that later. A whole bunch of stars cut out different papers. I left this one so you can see. This is the one paper and on the back is the other paper, so you can use that to your advantage. So paper stars. I did some stenciling and some glittering on here, and these denim jeans stars. But the only thing I didn't do yet is add a ribbon so I can hang it. Those are my projects for the Christmas on a Dime. Have fun with the rest of the hub, because I was the first one that you visited. There's a list down below, you can find it. So hop on over to the rest and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment if you want to be eligible for the prizes to win. And have fun with the tutorial. This is the 4th time I was part of this Christmas on a Dime YouTube Hub, and I will be linking the other videos in the playlist popping up in the cards right now. So here's a tutorial for the no glue stirring stick star. You put down one stirring stick, put one over it, and then put the third one over the first one and under the second one. It's kind of a weaving. So the fourth one goes over the first one, under the second one and over the third one. And then the last one, you stick that one under the first one, over the second one, and especially the last one is a bit hard because you have to detain all the other ones. So under the first one, over the second one, and under the last one. And your star is done, and without any glue you just can pick it up. For the Christmas tree I did the following. I cut up 2 stirring sticks through the middle. If you're making one tree, you only need to do it with one. And then I cut 1 stirring stick, about 1/3 and 2/3. So a small one and a longer one. So you start with the small one, you just cut the 1/3 stirring stick and you put that either over or under or the other way around. So it's just weaving and you alternate what you did. So if you started the top one with over, under, over, you start the next one with under, over, under. That's just all there is to it. And you repeat that till the bottom. Now you could do a bottom piece all the way down. I didn't, because I was thinking I would put them in with a plant, so I needed some room to stick the thing down. But if you just do it as a decoration that you will hang, you can do it all the way to the bottom. And then it's only a question of decorating it however you like and whatever stuff you have in your house. For my third project, I bought a new scarf, and this was packaging. Let's say it was wrapped around this. And I was thinking, what can I do with this? I decided I wanted to make 2 candy canes out of it. So I thought, if I can cut it here and there, I just have 2 candy canes. I did it pretty even. Nice job, Ilo. And I'm gonna wrap that around. This is just quick thinking, so I can cover up part. Just kind of fold it, pleat it, whatever you need to do to get it around. The way I do it is that I use my heat tool . So it's already a bit dry and sticky, and then when I turn it over, I don't have to hold it that long. Voila! I'm done. There we go again. And to do it a little bit more quick, I'm gonna add a little bit of glue to both sides. Let's let it dry. Oh, and I'm hosting a soup party here on Sunday, so I thought it would be cute if these went in with the breadsticks. It's just an idea I just had, just for fun and decoration on my table. And to be eligible for my prize, I hid something in the video. So it's kind of a little game. You have to spot something in the video.